everyone, we are back to see how we can seam our mitt, fingerless mitt, knitted flat way. So this is how it's gonna look. This is the left one, and this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna block it nicely, dry it, and only after that we're gonna first seam the thumb stitches, holding it like that together from the right side. But I'm going to show you an example how to do the stitches on the larger seam, which is right here. And this is how it's going to look at the end. You can see it a little bit, you can feel it a little bit, but it really doesn't bother me or doesn't bother the little one when they wear a mitt. And I'm actually working on something to make sure that we can have a nice full-size mitt, but I'm still trying to figure out how to make it look pretty. It doesn't work out yet, so at the end, to make it nice ending that looks pretty and comfortable at the same time. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm using the white yarn just for these purposes, but you should actually use the long tail. That's why we left the long tail, and use that yarn to seam the sides. And I'm putting it together, a wrong side together like that. You see, so the right side is facing you. And what I do like to do, it's a little trick. The most important thing about seaming your garments is that it's seamed evenly, that sometimes you may miss one stitch here or add another. You know, if it's not even, you will see it all the way at the end. It doesn't look pretty, and it's not, you know, it's not good. So what I like to do, I like to actually put a little markers together, like, you know, little pins together here, then here, then here, then here. So every time, you know I'm in the right spot. And this is how we're gonna do it. Sorry, I have a lot of yarns here together. I'm gonna try to move it away from the camera so you can see it better. So we try to match up two little points here, and you see my edge stitch here. I just go right here underneath this stitch, and I don't pull it too tight. Then I go on the left side the same way. It's a little thing, like you could see that's under the opening. This is how we go on the left side, then again on the right side. You see what I just did? This is under the right side. I hope my video is not gonna come out blurry. Then again on the left side, and you see I'm not pulling it tight. It's very not tight. So once you do it like 4 or 5 times, 3, 4, 5 times, then I hold it together like that, and I try to pull it gently. At some place my yarn got stuck, so oh, that's the tail. Okay, so I pulled it gently, not too much. Then I continue with my work and do it every 3, 4, 5 stitches. I just pull it together, but make sure that you actually do put the pins here everywhere, all the way to the top, and secure your yarn and weave in the ends. You can hear my little ones talking in the background doing the crafts. So this is Myla's Knit Corner, Myla Vayner. Find me on Ravelry and find these mitts in a large size, adult size. This is for the little ones, really. And they're pretty stretchy, and I use DK yarn or worsted works. Something with nylon, with a little bit of nylon would be great, and superwash merino would be great as well. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy making this. Any questions, please feel free to email me at mylasknitcorner at gmail.com, mylasknitcorner@gmail.com, or Ludmila Vayner at yahoo.com. I will put that information in the description as well. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.